This summer, I've made it a goal to actually wake up early, pretty much every day. And while I'm doing decent at that, I need to stop going on my phone first thing in the morning. It's just really not a good way to start my day, and it's a bad habit that I'm really trying to break. Once I'm out of bed, the first thing I do is put moisturizer on my face. I cannot live without this Clinique Moisture Surge. I get it from Ulta, and it's literally the best thing ever. I want to redo my Airwrap curls today, so to do that, I need to get in the shower. For my hair, I use the Nexxus shampoo and conditioner, and then a Clinique face wash. And normally for body wash, I just use whatever Bath & Body Works I have left over from my childhood. All my facial products. I mainly use the Mad Hippie serums. I found them a couple months ago and the Ulta's, like, you know, where you wait to check out, and I found the mini ones and I was like, I really have to try this, mainly because the packaging was adorable, but they work just as well as they are packaged. Since it's morning, I only use the vitamin C serum. And then next I just use this Clinique Moisture Surge lotion. I use this at least 10 times a day. Then I use Olaplex number 6 and number 7 while my hair is still wet. These just help my hair stay super soft, and this one I think helps with heat damage. This is my favorite part. Next up is hair. It is the Dyson Airwrap. I normally just use thicker long barrels, and they give you like looser curls. I'll show you kind of how I do it. I pin one side of my hair up and then I just work around. Then the key afterwards is once you get it all curled, you like flip your head over and then it just magically falls into place, I guess. So I got this side done. Now I got to switch to the other barrel. It's just so the wind goes that way instead of that way, so my curls go different direction. And this looks like kind of crazy right now, but I swear once I flip my head over, it turns out 100% better. For this side, I start from the back just so it's easier to keep sectioning off the hair. I was getting kind of frustrated because the done strands kept getting mixed in with the strands that I was trying to do, and that was annoying. Let's see how this side goes. While my bangs are setting, I normally do my makeup, but since I'm not going out, I don't really like wearing makeup in particular, just to try to avoid getting acne on my face, but I am going to do my eyebrows and mascara. This is my favorite part of the hair. What's funny is towards the end of school, getting ready, I was like rushing to school in the morning, not really planning out my outfits, but now that it's summer and I have nowhere to be, suddenly that motivation is back. I think I'm just gonna pick out something comfy to wear because all that I'm doing for the rest of the day is writing thank you cards for my grad party, and then my boyfriend's coming over to watch Stranger Things with me. think I'm just gonna wear leggings and a tank top, so I went and got leggings from the laundry room and a cookie because every time I walk past my kitchen, I have to grab one of these. They're leftover from my grad party. They're crumble cookies. They are literally addicting. Well, that's about it. So thank you guys for watching me get ready for nothing.